I'm not sure if you're aware of the debate around the colour of this dress is driving the internet insane.
Yeah.
What colour is this dress?
This dress is white and gold.
Oh my god, really?
Why isn't it white and gold?
Because it's blue and black.
Yeah, it's white and gold.
That's unbelievable.
Well, there's people laughing behind me here. Why are people laughing behind me? Is it not white and gold? Those brownie bits are certainly gold. Sorry, it's white and brown.
It's white? Okay, alright. Well, on that bombshell, are you sure? That's your final answer?
Am I finally realising that I'm colourblind at 38 years of age?
Well, a lot of people here will say
I'll never be able
black and blue.
I'll never be able to fly a plane now or something. I feel like that guy in that film, also Little Miss Sunshine, the moment he realised he's colourblind.
Yeah.
That's white and, it's white and gold.
Wow, okay.
Do you not see white and gold?
No, I see black and blue.
The jacket is white.
No, the jacket is blue.
That means you're colourblind.
Possibly, but...
That means you're never going to be an
I think
pilot.
more people here would agree with me than agree with you.
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Oh dear.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, look, on that bombshell...